We love our family, our parents, our spouse, siblings, children, everyone. But one thought, one question always scares us. That what if one day we are not there for them? Who's gonna take care of them? How are they gonna manage them financially? What if I'm no more? Who's there to pay the medical bills of my parents? Who's there to look for the basic necessities of my spouse? Or who's there to take care of the school's fees of my children? Well, to overcome this problem, we decide to go for a life insurance. That's a really good idea. We go for a life insurance, but there we have to pay a good amount as an EMI every month. That definitely pinches our pocket, because that's an additional expense that we have to pay every month. But what if I tell you that there's one solution for this problem as well? Hello and welcome back to Bosswala English. I am Tanisha Sharma. And if you're going through the same problem, if you don't have enough money to look out for your expenses at the same time while paying for the EMIs of your life insurance, then you can go for this Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. This Yojana is a term life insurance scheme launched by the government of India in 2015. Under this scheme, you don't have to pay a monthly EMI, but you have to pay a yearly EMI. And you must be thinking, if it's yearly, the amount would be too big. But let me tell you, it's not even 5,000 or 2,000 or 1,000. It's just 436 rupees a year, which will give you 2 lakh rupees of life cover. Now you must be thinking, 2 lakh rupees sounds a bit less, like in this time when everything is too expensive. But let me also tell you one thing. When you're not there, when your family actually needs the money, this 2 lakh rupees would be savior for your family. That will help you for a period of time to take care of themselves and to take care of their basic necessities and expenses. So let's talk about how you can apply it, what are the benefits of this scheme, and are you even eligible to apply or not. The entire amount goes directly to your nominee, and you can choose your nominee, either your spouse, your parents, your children, whosoever you decide to choose. So the scheme runs every year from June 1st to May 31st. So let me also tell you that how the payment structure works. So if you decide to join between June to August, you will have to pay 436 rupees a year. And if you join between September to November, you will have to pay 342 rupees. And if you decide to join between December to February, you will have to pay 114 rupees. This is because the premium gets adjusted based on the remaining months in a year. And you know the best part is, the money automatically gets deducted from your bank or your post office account. So no hassle, no worry or no reminders. Now let's see who's eligible to apply. So any Indian citizen from the age of 18 to 50 can apply for this scheme. But you must have a savings account or a post office account. And also let me tell you that even if you have some sort of serious health issues. So usually when we go for normal health insurance, due to severe health issues, the insurance, it becomes a bit difficult to get the insurance. But here, that's not a problem. Even if you have any sort of serious health issues, you can apply for this scheme. And that too, no health checkups are required. Now let's talk about how can you enroll for the scheme. So you have to go to your bank or your post office. There, you have to link your account to this scheme. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana scheme, you have to link your account to. Then you will have to enable auto debit, and that's it. You are covered for a year. And then the amount, the 436 rupees, will get deducted automatically from your bank account every year on the month of June. So now let's also talk about, is it even beneficial? What are the benefits if we decide to go for this scheme? So first, let's start with your EMIs. So as I already told you that you only have to pay 436 rupees a year. That means it's just 1.19 rupees. That means 1 rupee and 19 paisa a day. And second, 2 lakh rupees payout in case of death. That means there's a sense of financial security among your family when you're not there for them. Third, It is available for each and every person, even for people who have any sort of serious health issues or problems. They can also apply and get the benefits of this scheme. It also gives tax benefits under Section 80C. And also there's availability of auto renewal. That means you don't have to remember the payment dates. And also easy enrollment. Like I said, no hassle, no fuss, no long forms or long lines to stand. You just have to go to your bank or your post office there. There you have to ask them to link your bank account with this scheme. And that's it. You're done, you're sorted for this scheme. So this scheme is definitely a lifesaver. If your salary is not too much, you don't earn a lot of money, but you have this feeling that I want my family to be secured when I'm not there for them, then this scheme is for you. So go and utilize this scheme for yourself, for your family, to secure their future and to live a stress-free life. That okay, even if I'm gone, my family's financial situation would be secured. So if you have any sort of questions or queries, you can drop a comment. And also if you want to take care of your financial situation, you want to grow your money, you want to make money, or you want to start a business, download Bosswala app now. Bosswala app helps you learn practical strategies and framework from one-on-one video calls and video courses from successful business owners. And they also tell you the strategies and tools that you need to know to start and grow your business. So hurry up, don't wait. Download Bosswala app now and learn how to make and grow money. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.